Are you feeling stressed or anxious? This video is for you. Namaste, this is Shobha Yaduvanshi, a certified yoga and Pilates teacher, and here to guide you with your journey of peace and well-being. In today's class, we will be doing few breathing exercises, also known as Pranayam, that will help us to feel more relaxed and calm. Anulom vilom is an excellent practice. It helps in better function of our lungs, improves blood circulation, and also balances the right and left hemisphere of the brain. If you are feeling stressed or anxious, you can practice this breathing exercise to feel more relaxed and calm. To start this practice, we have to use mudra, that is Pranam mudra. Always use your right hand. Bend first two finger, index and middle finger. Our thumb we will be using to control the right nostril, and ring finger we will be using to control the left nostril. Place your thumb on right nostril and deep inhale through your left nostril. Now close your left nostril and slowly exhale out through your right nostril. Inhale right. Exhale left. And continue. And exhale through your left nostril when you complete the practice. So you can do this practice for 1 or 2 minutes every day to see the difference. So the next practice we are going to do is Brahari Pranayam, in which we will be using sound and vibration to soothe our mind and nervous system. It will lower down your BP and heart rate and also improve your ear, nose and throat health. To do this practice, we have to use Shanmukhi Mudra, in which we will be choosing different points on our face. First point will be on top of the eyebrows. So place your index finger on top of your eyebrows, second finger goes to the tear glands, corners of your nose. Third finger will go on the corners of your nose and fourth finger will go on the corners of your lips. And lastly, we will be closing our ear. Now after closing your ear, you will hear a deep silence. Now bring your awareness on your throat center and let the air pass through your throat. And while exhaling, try to make humming sound like a honeybee by contracting your vocal cords. Keep repeating. slowly bring your hands down and just sit here. Observe your mind and body straight. Your mind is more relaxed. You are in more peace and at ease. Now gently open your eyes. You must be feeling more relaxed, especially after doing this practice. And our last practice, one more practice that we are going to do is Ojay Pranayam. Ojay breathing, we are going to use the same. Be aware of your throat and let the air pass through your throat. We are going to contract our throat while doing this practice. It's more like an ocean sound. So when you inhale and exhale, you will hear sound of your breath similar to the ocean waves. We are going to use this breathing technique but also using mudra. To do this practice, you have to use Pranam mudra, same as Anulom vilom. Bring your hands in Jnana mudra first. Deep inhale through your both nostrils and be aware of your throat. Let the air pass through it like an ocean wave sound. Now just keep your breath holded there. Don't exhale. Lock your chin. Hold it here for a while. Now close your right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Again, deep inhale. One more time, deep inhale. And gently release. So you can do this practice for 1 or 2 minutes every day. This practice will help you in better sleep and also better blood circulation. Also improves the health of your lungs. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this session. And if you're liking my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And also if you are having any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply each and every one of you. I also provide personalized yoga sessions. So if you're looking for some personalized yoga session, you can contact me on Instagram. You can message me on Instagram. That is fitavic_Shobha. Namaste. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.